For years, the 10-speed automatic transmission has been at the heart of modern Ford trucks and SUVs. It promised smoother shifts, better fuel economy, and stronger performance across the board. And on paper, it delivered. But in the real world, things haven't always gone according to plan. Now, everything is changing. The buzz surrounding the 2027 generation of Ford trucks, especially the next evolution of the Ford F-150, suggests something big. Ford may be moving away from the current 10-speed strategy or dramatically re-engineering it. Whether that means an all-new transmission or a fundamentally redesigned version of the existing system, one thing is clear: the fix is real, and it's coming. Let's break down what went wrong, what Ford has learned, and why the 2027 fix could completely reshape how trucks drive in the future. The rise of the 10-speed transmission. When Ford introduced its 10-speed automatic, developed alongside General Motors, it marked a major leap forward in transmission design. Known internally as the 10R80, this gearbox was designed to maximize efficiency and performance simultaneously. More gears meant smaller gaps between ratios, better engine optimization, improved towing capability, higher fuel efficiency. In theory, the transmission could always find the perfect gear, and in many cases, it did. But complexity comes at a cost, where things started going wrong. As more trucks hit the road, real-world feedback began to reveal consistent issues. Owners of the Ford Ranger, Ford Expedition, and Ford F-150 started reporting similar complaints. Harsh or delayed shifting, gear hunting at low speeds, sudden downshifts, clunking noises, hesitation during acceleration. These weren't isolated incidents. Over time, they became widespread enough to trigger investigations, technical service bulletins, and even legal scrutiny. The root problem? A mix of hardware sensitivity and software calibration challenges. Expert insight. Why 10 speeds can be too much. Automotive engineers have long debated whether more gears always equal better performance. According to transmission specialists, there's a tipping point where added complexity starts to create diminishing returns. A senior drivetrain engineer, speaking broadly about multi-gear systems, explains, "With 10 gears, you're constantly shifting. That requires extremely precise software tuning. If even one parameter is slightly off, temperature, load, throttle input, you get inconsistent behavior." In simpler terms, the transmission isn't just mechanical. It's deeply dependent on software, and that software must interpret thousands of inputs in real time. That's where things got tricky. Software versus hardware. The real battle. Modern transmissions are controlled by advanced computer systems. In the case of Ford's 10-speed, shift quality depends heavily on adaptive learning algorithms. These systems are designed to learn driver behavior, adjust shift timing dynamically, optimize fuel economy versus performance. But when these systems fail or misinterpret inputs, the result is unpredictable shifting. Ford has issued multiple software updates over the years to address these issues. Some drivers noticed improvements, others didn't. That inconsistency became a major concern. The cost of complexity. Beyond driving feel, reliability concerns also began to surface. More gears mean more clutch packs, more valves, more potential failure points. Even small issues like valve body wear or fluid pressure inconsistencies can cascade into bigger problems over time. And when repairs are needed, they're not cheap. This has led to increasing scrutiny of long-term durability, especially for truck owners who rely on their vehicles for heavy-duty work. The 2027 turning point. Now comes the breakthrough. Industry insiders and early reports suggest that the 2027 Ford lineup will introduce a major shift in transmission strategy. While Ford hasn't officially confirmed every detail, several key changes are expected. 1. A simpler, smarter transmission. Instead of chasing more gears, Ford is focusing on smarter gear usage. This could mean fewer gears, possibly 8-speed or optimized 10-speed redesign, wider ratio bands, reduced shift frequency. 2. Completely new software architecture. Ford is reportedly overhauling its control systems to create more predictable, human-like shifting behavior. This includes faster processing speeds, improved AI-driven learning, better integration with hybrid systems. 3. Built for hybrid and electric futures. The next-gen transmission will likely be designed to work seamlessly with hybrid powertrains, which introduce entirely new torque delivery characteristics. Expert insight. Why the fix matters. From an engineering standpoint, this isn't just an update, it's a philosophical shift. A powertrain analyst explains, the industry is realizing that refinement matters more than raw numbers. Customers don't care how many gears you have, they care how the vehicle feels. That's exactly what Ford appears to be addressing. What this means for drivers. If the 2027 changes deliver as expected, drivers can look forward to smoother, more predictable shifting, better low-speed drivability, improved towing stability, enhanced long-term reliability. In other words, a truck that feels natural, not mechanical. Will the 10-speed disappear completely? Not necessarily. Ford may not fully abandon the 10-speed design. Instead, it's more likely to evolve it into something more refined and less aggressive in its shifting behavior. Think of it as same concept, completely different execution. The bigger industry trend. Ford isn't alone in this shift. Across the industry, automakers are rethinking transmission strategies as electrification becomes more prominent. Some are reducing gear counts, others are moving toward single-speed EV systems. Even traditional rivals are exploring similar ideas, signaling a broader change in how performance and efficiency are balanced. Final thoughts: a reset, not just a fix. The story of Ford's 10-speed transmission is a classic case of innovation, pushing boundaries, and then hitting reality. It wasn't a failure, it was a learning experience. And now, that learning is shaping the future. The 2027 fix isn't just about solving problems, it's about redefining what a modern transmission should be. Less complexity, more intelligence, better real-world performance. For truck buyers, that's exactly what matters. And if Ford gets it right, the next generation of trucks could feel better than anything that came before.